Children, now I am going to give you a demo of creating the packages in my computer. Please observe carefully. So the very first step is, for the same car example, I am going to create the sub modules. Okay, so in my desktop I created my I am creating my folder as car. Okay, so we'll go with car, and then this folder, it is going to have number of subfolders. What are all the folders that we have decided? It is engine, okay, and then uh, gear, and then AC. Okay, so create the please be careful with the cases that you are using. Car, I have given all small letter. Engine, I have given first caps. So once you do that, you have to create what are all the files that you wanted to have. Now I am going to write a Python program for car, and then for engine I am going to write. Okay, so because just to make it simple. Okay, so go to Python. So in Python I am going to write a Python program, new file. Okay, I'm going to write a details as a Python program name. So give the name of the file. It is details.py. So what is the purpose? It is the gives the detail something, some doc string gives the details about car. Okay, so and then this function, this particular file, it is going to have one function. So car detail, please remember the name of the car, all small letter, car detail, and with a colon. I just want to print some information, print. Okay, so this is the function from car module. Okay, so where you supposed to save it? You have to save it in car module, save as, go for save as. So in desktop, in car, so here you have to give the name. What is a file name that you have decided? It is details. Okay, so till the Python program name you have to give it for import. So please be very careful. Details. Okay, so it is save it. So next I'm going to write another Python program for engine. Okay, so new file. What is the name? Let me give it as engine. Okay, and then what is the purpose? This is the engine file. Some information, engine file. What is the purpose of this particular Python program? You have to write that. So this is going to have two function, def start. Okay, and then I'm just going to print some information. That is, you have to create your own Python program. That is what I'm trying. Okay, this is the start function. Okay, def stop. Print. This is the stop function from engine module. Okay, so I want to call this function, and it has to print some information. Okay, save it. Again you have to save it in a appropriate place. So in a desktop, in car, so in engine. Okay, you have to give the name. What is the name that you have decided? It is engine. So it is engine. Okay, engine.py. Save. Once you save, you run it to check for errors. Okay, there are no error. We didn't run my our details. So recent file details. Okay, here is my detail. Run it to check for errors. Okay, so both the programs are error free. So now what you have to do is, you have to, okay, so this is error free. Now what you have to do is, you have to create a init file. The third step is you have to create a init file. So how to create the init file? File, new file. Okay, don't type anything, no need to type anything, just give go to save as, and then go to desktop, car. In car there must be a init file. So what is the name? It is underscore underscore init underscore underscore. Already I have details. Okay, now I have created init file, right? Create another file, 3 more folders. New file, file, save as, desktop, car. For AC I didn't create any other files, only underscore underscore init. All the files, all the folders must have init file. Save, right? New file, save as, desktop, car. In engine there is a engine file, so along with that create a init file. Save, one more, new file, save as, desktop, car, gear, underscore underscore init underscore underscore. Save. Okay, so now your folder is ready with all the init file. Okay, engine, okay, init files, and then what are all the Python programs. Okay, all the files are ready. Now what you need to do it, you have to associate it with Python directory, that is site packages folder. To get to know the site packages folder, so go to Python shell prompt and you have to import sys. Okay, and then you have to give print sys dot path. Okay, so this will give you the path. So this is my paths. So here you look for site packages. So where is the site packages? Here it is. Okay, C uses local site packages. Okay, so instead of going through this much big path, what I do is I'll just copy this path. Okay, you have to paste your car folder in this folder, right? Okay, so to do so, okay, I'm just copying this and then go for Windows R. In run prompt you just give paste and then give enter. So it will open the Windows Explorer with the path. So now what you have to do is you have to paste your car. Okay, where it is in my desktop. So here it is, copy this, copy, and then go to your site packages. So in the site packages, paste, that's it. Okay, replace, because I have already created. Okay, replace car, it's now you have pasted. Okay, so once you do that, now you can start using that using your car packages. Okay, so here it is, import car dot details. Is it there? Yes, it is. So in car details, car dot details, I have the function called car details, right? Okay, so how will you call that function? Car dot details dot car details. See, can you see? So I have already used. So it is a car detail, it is a function name. Okay, so once you give what you have written, this is the function from car module. So if you want to import the sub modules, engine, okay, how will you import? It is import car dot engine dot engine. So till the Python file name you have to specify. So after that we have start and then stop function. So it is car dot engine dot start. Okay, this is the start function. Is that clear now? So this is how you have to create your own package and put it in a site packages. Once you put it in a site packages, it is ready to use. Okay. So that's all for today's session, dear. So with this we have completed chapter 4. Okay. So please practice this. Try to create your own library and try to import it and use it in your programs. Okay. Complete all your book back exercises and keep learning, dear. Thank you, children.